each other. Ow! What I need, he gave me. Great. Put a dress in a hurry.
Max, who's that? Max, look, who's that?
Just love her.
Max. Ooh! Who is it? Max, who is it? Who is it?
How you doing?
Who is it, Knucklehead? Who is it? 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 Max. Max, somebody here? Is somebody here?
Mom?
Huh?
Hi.
Are you gonna go check? Oh. Whoa! Max, look. Max.
I can't hear you. Hold for what? What are you gonna do? I get why you're angry with me. It's no snap.
He's talking to his
Okay, then you listen to me. Truly no grudges. Okay? Truly. I mean, it was a little odd that you didn't come and see me when you heard that I was hurt, but no, I don't even want to talk about it. The important thing is that
Whoa! Relax, chill.
yes, I'm working again.
You sit. Sit.
I don't need anything.
Sit. Max a Looney. Sit. 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 Yeah, good boy. Shake again. High five. Yay!